Going to see how to display reports such as balance sheet, profit and loss account in Tally GST. Okay, as we have created our company earlier, select our company from by pressing F3 key or simply by clicking on company column, company command, list of company, select our first company JK Enterprises that we have created in last week. So for JK Enterprises, let us see the balance sheet for JK Enterprises. Come to the reports, balance sheet, press enter here. See, the balance sheet will be appear on your screen. JK Enterprises. In balance sheet there are two columns, liabilities and asset. The balance sheet shows the condition of our business by which we are aware that how much liabilities of our business and how much asset we have in our business. Okay, see, in liabilities column, current liabilities is there, loans and liabilities, we don't have any loans, so here blank space is there. Current liabilities are 6,10,000. Profit and loss account, see in profit and loss account, opening balance for current period as on 1st April. The position of this balance sheet is on 1st April 2020. Okay, opening balance for profit and loss account 2,50,000. Okay, then come to the asset column. Fixed asset is for 48,000 and current asset which are variable 8,12,000. So see at the bottom of your balance sheet, total is there. Total 8,60,000 for the column liabilities, which is correctly matched with the asset column having the total 8,60,000. Clear? So this is our balance sheet as on 1st April 2020. You may also see the balance sheet for a specific period or on a specific date at any time of your company. Okay, clear? So this is that how to see the balance sheet. So let us see the profit and loss account. So get escape from this balance sheet by pressing escape key and come to the main menu of Tally, gateway of Tally. Select the next command, profit and loss account. Click on it. See, now you are able to see the profit and loss account for JK Enterprises as on 1st April 2020. Clear? See, under the opening stock, purchase accounts having the value 4,50,000. Gross profit 2,50,000. Total is 7 lakh. Okay, so net profit will be 2,50,000. See, in the sales account there are 7 lakh, closing stock is nothing there. Gross profit balance forward 2,50,000. Come to the bottom, total is 2,50,000, which is completely tally and balance with the next column 2,50,000. So in this way you may also see your profit and loss account of your company for the said date. Okay, clear?